who sail upon her.
Yellow is Cinderella, right?
Please read. मुझे नींद आ रही है मैच की पड़ी है
73.
I look so pretty today. Vast ocean outside. It's everything I love. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Travel with Sar, where you and we travel together. We are going back to Singapore. The amount of time we've gone to Singapore on this channel is insane, but we are going for a very special adventure this time. We are not going to do city sightseeing. This time we are going for the Disney Cruise Line Singapore. This is such an exciting adventure. It is definitely one of the bucket list for me. When the first time Reet, I and Ishan, Papa, you all remember we had gone for an event in Geo Mall. From that time I was wishing to just go and experience Disney's cruise actually real time, because just that event was so exciting. And then the next time they invited me to this private dinner where they showed us everything that they're actually plating and like feeding on the cruise. So the build up to this cruise has been insane, incredible. It's a very family friendly place to go to. So there are a lot of creators also. I'm so excited to go because Shiv Shakti is coming, Soumya is coming, Devashri is coming. All my favorite creator friends are going to be there. We're going to have such a nice time. Reet and I are going, and it's like a 4-day cruise. The cruise embarks from Singapore and it has so many Disney experiences. So it's going to be like living our childhood all over again. I have packed my Disney Mickey hairbands. You know, I loved every country that has a Disneyland. मैं जाती हूँ तो मैं उधर जाती हूँ ज़रूर. And I've been to so many, mashallah, at this point. And today we are going in collaboration with Disney Cruise. So I'm so excited and so thrilled for this adventure. Let's go. Alright guys, we are at the airport. We are done with everything. The airport is unfortunately very empty, and not for a good reason. Very, very sad to see that a lot of flights are getting cancelled. It is a very, very scary time to live in. Pura airport hi khali hai. Reet is talking to all our parents and giving them all updates. Right now he's on call with my mother. He's really that boyfriend. He'll call the mummy, the papa, the chacha, chachi, give every update, and I create content. But honestly, I'm the more useful one on travels because I keep the boarding pass, I keep the passports, I keep all the documents. He just comes.
What chugli you were doing, of
I was saying you are the boyfriend who will call the mummy, the papa, the dada, the dadi and give all update.
Yeah, because you want, no?
If I have you, why do I need to?
Yeah, of course.
A few moments later.
Guys, we have arrived in Singapore. We've got our chauffeur and we are going to the hotel. Guys, this is our room. The view is just a basic city view, not something spectacular. This is the room at the Swiss Hotel Stamford, and this is the bathroom with a side of Jacquaria. Let's go. We are very hungry and there are credits in the hotel खाने के लिए. होटल में बहुत सारी खाने की जगह है, तो अभी होटल में जा रहे हैं. मुझे बहुत तेज भूख लग रही है. Let's go. Guys, restaurants over here shut by 10 o'clock, तो फिर इधर हमारी भूख नहीं मिटने वाली. Restaurants 10 बजे बंद हो जाते सिंगापुर में. It's 9:30 already.
Restaurants in the malls.
Yeah, in the malls. So he suggested going to like a local food court and eating, because होटल में हमको सिर्फ 200 क्रेडिट दिया है. 200 क्रेडिट में अभी हमारा बुफे में ही हो जाएगा और सिर्फ 15 मिनट मिलेगा खाने, which is not worth it according to him, which makes sense. Guys, we have come to Asian Food Heaven, a Singapore's local market, Newton Food Center. The restaurant we went to, जो बंद हो रही थी in the hotel, उसने recommend किया कि go here, you'll get a lot of food. There's Indian, there's lot of options over here to eat seafood. Reet and I love seafood, so we're gonna eat that. We'll do one grilled lobster and one tiger prawn too. है ना? पूरा seafood heaven. 1, 2, 3.
Prawns, you how many person?
2.
Two people.
Two person only.
Yeah.
2 person, I give you 2 pieces.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. Yeah. Dilly Travangan all over again, but with a side of Singapore chili crab.
You want spicy or non-spicy?
Just butter garlic, non-spicy, yeah. Singa Cafe. Reet is trying something called the bandung, and I'm gonna do the lime juice.
Bandung with glass gel.
Yeah. There is an Indian palace also here, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Dal, tadka, mushroom, masala. Reet, some paneer chili for you. Reet veg food से दूर भागता है. This market is very big.
Nice
This
fat
is
lobster.
so fat. The lobster tail is thick. It's thick. So good. Guys, tomorrow we are going to attack that LV store that sparkles in front of Marina Bay Sands and check if we have the tote bag that I've been looking for since my birthday. Today we've just come to Merlion Park for a walk. I wanted to show Reet the night skyline of Singapore. What do you think?
Beautiful, very clear skies.
Skyline दिखाने आई तुम sky देख रहे हो?
No, when I'm in a city, that's how I judge a city, right? That despite being a thriving city, how clean they're keeping their environment.
The next day.
Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon बोलना चाहिए actually 1 बज रहे हैं. Now the thing is that I thought कि शाम का schedule we have to meet down at 7 o'clock, but the christening ceremony starts at 7 o'clock for the cruise and we have to meet down at 4 o'clock. So it's 1 already. I have no time to do anything. I have my outfit and everything ready. I did want to check out some footwear at Charles & Keith. I will have to do my hair, my makeup, everything.
Okay, so one. So this is for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me get my hands right.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is your credentials for tonight.
Okay.
So when you get to the ship, we're gonna call out Bullseye. This is your group that you're gonna escort the ship.
Yes.
This is your credential for the entire stay.
Okay.
And here, this is how you get on the ship, but also where you're having dinner tonight.
Only need passport, right? Just the passport is enough. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, superb. So today you want us down at 4.
4:45.
4:45. Okay, perfect. Super. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's go. Got it. Bullseye.
Because you are an ass.
Shut up. It is.
I'm like, oh, so perfect.
Donkey. It's a dog.
It's an ass.
It's a donkey. I am the part of the Bullseye group. They have segregated us into groups. Okay, so we have to be down at 4:45 today. देखा आपने बहुत like cut to cut. There's everything का process. कल सुबह भी. This is us. You and I are on the same. You are my plus one. So if I'm one butt cheek, then you're the other butt cheek.
No, I'm the one who moves the donkey.
We'll move you only from here. Of course, when in Singapore, Charles & Keith is your best friend. I need footwear for tonight. And even for the cruise, I haven't gotten good footwear because I was relying on this since I came here. Cute stuff from the start. I need to call Sharon now over here. अभी मेरे रेगुलर फ्लैट शॉपिंग हील आज के लिए सॉर्ट हो गई है. विल मोस्टली गो फॉर दैट हील. आई थिंक इन लोगों के साइज आप पे रीत देखो 40 लेती हो है ना. इसमें भी 40 लेती हो. गिव मी 40 in this also please. I think your sizes are running up. This is the heel I'm planning to take for tonight. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, snug fit. Done. The deed is done. 5 जूते इसी में घुसा दी मैंने क्योंकि डब्बा लेके कुछ फायदा नहीं है. So we're done. And now I have to go to level 3. Reet has gone down to the pharmacy to get me something, and I'm going up to check out some dresses. This looks really good for tonight, now guys. I just saw it in the display.
It's good. But the one you have is better than this.
Really? Pakka?
This is too much happening. But yeah, if that's what you're going for, then yeah.
2 hours later.
I'm into the outfit. I'm doing my makeup and my hair tool is not working. उसमें से sparks आ रहे हैं. मैं actually US में जो मैंने hair tool खरीदा था ना वो लेके आई हूँ क्योंकि उन लोग ने Dyson मना किया था. Dyson straight up मना कर दिया था because on the cruise they have some voltage issues. So because of that we've all gotten like a different device. Shiv Shakti has got a straightener and it's working in the room. So I'm going to go to her room and do my hair. First I'll finish my makeup and everything and then go to her room. बारिश होने वाली है पक्का. Look at the weather, it has changed so drastically. It's become full gloomy. I was first filming like this and then I changed my position to this. Filming a get ready with me. Room service.
Yes. Hello.
Hello. Alright guys, ready. This is the final outfit. This is the bag और ये डिज्नी का कार्ड है. सब कुछ फिट आ गया मेरे बैग में कैसे तैसे. चलो शिवी लेट हो रहा है अभी. Say hi to my vlog. The newly married, beautiful, gorgeous bride of the year. Yo, yeah, 2026 though, you're bride of the year, yeah.
Oh my God, guys! खत्म हो गया, guys.
इनफैक्ट बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया, तुझे और एंजॉय करना चाहिए था.
I swear. पतली बन गई मैं यार.
So cute. Nothing like this. It's so magical. Soumya's my movie buddy.
Signature experiences. Joe Shot.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome aboard the spectacular Disney Adventure, the newest and largest ship in our expanding Disney Cruise Line fleet. Bringing a vessel like this to life is especially an endeavor as ambitious as this one is an extraordinary undertaking. It requires creativity, precision, partnership, and an enormous amount of heart.
Doomsday, the godparent of the Disney Adventure, Robert Downey Jr.
Well, never let it be said I don't know how to make an entrance, right? Hey, what do you think of the ship so far? It's pretty great, right? Well done, by the way. Love that theme. I've had the privilege of getting to know the team at Walt Disney Imagineering, and I can tell you, adventure is the perfect name for what they've created. I mean, it's absolutely, as you see, it's massive, it's gargantuan. Have you been up top? Anybody been up top yet? No. All right. Right, because there's an entire amusement park up there. It's bananas. I recommend the Iron Cycle coaster, by the way. I got a good feeling about that one. All right, so to the business at hand, being the godparent of this majestic vessel is an honor. May God bless this ship and all who sail upon her.
शाहरुख की आवाज और रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर का ये भाई, व्हाट अ नाइट. शाहरुख को भी भेज दो यार. You guys, we saw Robert Downey Jr. Oh my God. शाहरुख की आवाज में नरेशन हो रहा था and Robert Downey Jr. was in front of our eyes. He's the godfather. He christened the cruise. It's gonna be epic. Oh my God. Like, I have goosebumps all over my body. I'm a total Disney kid anyway, but I love Iron Man, I love Marvel, I love Robert Downey Jr. Reeth is missing this so badly. I sent him the video in the room and he's like, oh my God. And he's having major FOMO because he's in the room. But this dinner was not for plus ones, only the main event people have come. So all the plus ones are having FOMO in the room. Mera roza khul gaya. I had water, khajur and popcorn. So I'm done. It wasn't difficult at all. The other ones are here. Robert Downey Jr. को देखा रोजा खोल के.
Iron Man क्या?
My vlog.
We're so tired.
Yeah.
But हमारे पेट भरे हुए हैं.
You're tired because you landed today.
हाँ,
I'm rested.
मैं sleepy, zoned out सब कुछ. कल मिलेंगे हम. Happy.
Yes.
हम चमक रहे हैं.
Yeah. और क्रूज में से निकले से लग नहीं रहा है ना, क्योंकि
फ्रेश होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
हम बहुत tired निकले. What's happening?
They've arranged shuttles and coaches for us, so we are taking this and going to the room.
The next morning.
This is our bus coupon. Everyone has a Disney character. Alright guys, we are getting into the coach here and वहाँ पर हमारा luggage भी जा रहा है. हमने coincidentally हम सब twin कर रहे हैं. कुछ भी. मुझे नहीं मालूम था ये blue कर रहा है. That we did not know. I तो wore blue because you were wearing blue.
ये बाबा इधर गायब हो जाएंगे हम लोग।
Yeah, please be connected to Wi-Fi all the time. So as a kid, baby, when I had gone to Hong Kong, I was telling my parents, why didn't you all...
Cinderella, right?
No, this is Belle and that's Ariel.
No, yellow is Cinderella, right?
Please, Reet.
No, I don't know.
You didn't see Disney
Also,
Princess.
blue is Cinderella.
Yes.
That's Ariel.
And you can get a makeover, like put your kids here and get them a makeover. So as a kid, all the kids in Hong Kong Disneyland were getting it and I was 18. Telling my parents, why didn't you all get me when I was that age?
See, that's Cinderella.
Yes, I will get my kids inshallah when they are this age to get their makeovers. Look at the costumes and everything. Yeah, they have everything here. Hello, hi, hi. Do you have a dress my size? No. What's that?
Magic. Look at your camera. So now, my princess, you're gonna make a big wish. Okay, close your eyes. Before closing your eyes, hold this for me and cover your forehead. Yeah, get it also so it doesn't fall on you. Now you have to make a big wish. Bibidi, babidi, boo. May all your wishes and dreams come true. Bibidi, babidi, boo. So, princess, it looks like a big wish. You can open your eyes now.
Thank you so much.
Baymax is Reed's favorite Disney movie, and there's Duffy and
Big Hero 6, not
Big Hero 6. Sorry, yeah. San Francisco Street.
See, Abominable.
Yeah, No, that's Monsters Inc.
That's
That's Monsters Inc. We are on board the Disney cruise. How does it feel? Fun.
Yes.
I'm so excited. I feel like a little kid. I love Disney so much. I have never been on a cruise before, you guys. This is going to be so exciting. Why don't you do me the honors? One. This
India.
Yes, from Mumbai.
Oh, Mumbai, beautiful place. This is the safest place.
Yeah, it's the safest city.
City, yeah?
Yeah, true.
Oh. Let's go. Go ahead first and then...
Oh, cute.
Please come in.
Nice. Jakaria and Sarosh party. Trapping Jakaria in the toilet, so I will show you all the room. Yahan pe we can hang stuff. There's some storage over here. It's pretty spacious. I was not expecting it to be this big because cruises usually have a very small room. There's a nice bathroom over here with the shower area and then mirror. Hello. Yahan par such a cute bed with adventure written on it. And this is the sofa. And we have a view. The view is of the garden down. But we can sit here and enjoy the parties happening outside. They've given us a bunch of things over here. Let's see क्या है इसमें क्योंकि मेरा luggage तो आया नहीं है. रीत का ही suitcase आया है अभी तक. This is twig tea. This is good coffee. Bacha coffee is really good coffee. Magic lamp coffee bag taster. There's a water bottle, Reet. Oh, they gave us just mini ears.
Yeah, I know, I told you.
Sparkly mini ears. So cute. And what is this? Throw blanket. And there is umbrella. Yeah, that's the deck of the ship. Our room is somewhere here. This is the Discovery Reef, yeah. On AFT. So cute. It's like Moana inspired. Under the sea inspired. There are restaurants here. Ooh, let's go. Cosmic kebabs. First lunch. Bollywood was right. Kebab hai na. I forgot that I'm supposed to wish you today also. No, I knew yesterday it's a birthday, then I saw Soumya's story also, then I messaged you. I was at the... Very nice. I love this. Yes.
2 hours later.
Bacha coffee is also really nice. मैंने बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज सुने इनके, but I've never tried it. So now मुझे थोड़ा headache हो रहा है, तो I thought I'll not experiment and I'll just have impulse because बाहर बारिश हो रही है और Reet has slept a little. He's sleeping for some time, so I'm just quietly making my coffee. मुझे ऐसा दोपहर को नींद नहीं आती even on holidays. I'm not that kind of a person. अभी बारिश रुक गई. सिंगापुर में तो रोज ही बारिश आती है. अभी लोग बाहर आ गए, बारिश रुक गई. I'll go out and enjoy this. Oh yeah guys, I have dressed up in this beautiful आउटफिट, फोटोज लेने का टाइम नहीं है और फुटवेयर भी मुझे चेंज करनी है इस आउटफिट के लिए, बट एक बैग हमारा अब तक आया नहीं है रूम पे, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू इंक्वायर अबाउट दैट विद द POC. I've set up my wardrobe very nicely. I've put out all the dresses I have. My swimsuits are here, my accessories are here, my lingerie is here. Reet Abibi will live through the suitcase only. He took his nap, he's gotten up, my coffee's over. We can now depart for the Walt Disney Adventure Sea show, which is a very very good show according to reviews. Let's go for it. चप्पल तो मेरे पास एक ही है, तो वही चप्पल पहननी पड़ेगी. अभी हमारा रूम अभी एकदम मेसी हो गया and it will stay like this. We are not planning to clean it. It's like a Tokyo metro station that they've made. See, with the map and everything. They've made Tadashi's study with Baymax.
Look, his microbot.
This is Big Hero 6 if you've seen Big Hero 6.
Robo Wars ka poster. His this Licky's Hero Hamada.
This is what he was drinking. San Francisco. You can also try it. Guys, we have a full-fledged cinema on board with all Disney movies playing non-stop. That is so cool. So now they have Lilo and Stitch. Then they have Fantastic Four and Zootopia. So these are none of the movies that I want to watch. I want to watch... Yeah, Big Hero 6 and Avatar. I'm gonna watch these. This is the deck at the night time with a freaking roller coaster. There are adventures all along, guys. Wanna sit? Let's go! So beautiful. Wow. Iron Cycle. Robert Downey Jr. said this is his favorite.
A few moments later.
We are going for dinner. We have dinner at 8:30 at Animator's Palette. And yeah, let's go. I'm very hungry. So there are lots of areas on the cruise and non-stop हर area में कुछ ना कुछ हो ही रहा है. On the Navigator's app we are getting all the information किधर क्या हो रहा है. Hello. Table number 33. Alright, thank you.
Enjoy dinner.
Thank you. All this detail is on our app already. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, what everybody drew is on the TV. Oh, the show of the characters dancing.
Later that same evening.
Guys, let me take you to a very useful part of the cruise. This is the Fairy Tale Fresh Laundry. बज रहे हैं रात के 12:30 सिंगापुर में और यहाँ पे लोग आते हैं अपने कपड़े धोने और शिवी इस्त्री कर रही है और उसका चल भी नहीं रहा है इस्त्री. आई थिंक अच्छा, बट हो तो रहा था गरम. ये तो गरम है. अभी शिवी बोलती है, शिवी को लगा उसको पैसा देना पड़ेगा इधर इस्त्री कराने का. बोलती है खुद इस्त्री कर रही तो वो लोग मुझे पैसा देंगे.
यहाँ पे रहती हूँ पूरा दिन, हर कपड़े का पैसे कितना लेते हो? I'll charge 100 rupees.
तू यहाँ फ्री में आई है, तू क्यों चार्ज करेगी? शिवी suddenly is behaving so चिंदी and we are all like from when she's like सब कपड़े इस्त्री करवाऊं. केक कब से रूम में बैठ के गप्पे लड़ रहे हैं. इसको अब भी सोचा रात के 12:30 बजे कि इसको कल के ड्रेस को इस्त्री करना है.
फेरी टेल चेंज हो चुकी है.
वो इसकी इस्त्री चल भी नहीं रही थी. इस्त्री ऑन करके भी वो बैठे. स्पीकर पे डालना.
क्या करूँ?
क्या ही अभी करा लेते, फिर बाकी वाले कैसे करूँगी? सबके 20-20 कैसे दूंगी?
हाँ that's a lot, but मत करना फिर.
तो बिना
कॉपी वाला कर मत कर. I don't know. I don't think you require it.
अभी कितना ज़्यादा ग्राम पर लग रहा है. कुछ नहीं लग रहा सारा.
बहुत है. 20 एक कपड़े का तो बहुत ज्यादा है इस्त्री करने के लिए.
यार 20 is a bit much. $20 एक कपड़े का.
सिंगापुर डॉलर, US नहीं.
हाँ तो सिंगापुर डॉलर इज 1400 रुपए हो गया.
अभी तो करवा दी है ना, इसका तो देना ही पड़ेगा.
खरीदेंगे 1400 में सच में कपड़े.
1400 में क्या आते जरा प्लीज मुझे बताना.
Oh my god. The boys are sitting and watching match एंड शिवी ने क्या केस लिया. शी वाज बिहेविंग सो चंदी. शी वाज अगर 10 करोड़ मांग लिया तो इस्त्री करने का मेरे कपड़ों का. लेट्स सी व्हाट दे हैव टू से टू द इस्त्रीड कपड़ा.
गाइस मैंने करा लिया. यार मैं कैसे पहनती हूँ मुझे और ये कह रही थी कि
साइड क्यों हो रही है?
ये कह रही थी कि बेज अच्छा नहीं लगेगा वही अच्छा लगेगा सुबह. ठीक है
ठीक है इस्त्री बराबर है.
नहीं किया ना वो
कराया कराया तो है.
सेम ही लग रहा है.
क्या तुम लड़कों को कुछ दिखता है.
इनको वीडियो दिखाइयो कि हुई है. अरे ये तो थोड़ा तो मुड़ेगा ना.
$20 में नहीं मुड़ना चाहिए. ओह गुड.
अरे उनके पास वैसा वाला हैंड नहीं था.
स्टीम नहीं था मैम. दिखाते थे वो. क्या ये देख रहे हो तुम लोग. एड में भी डिज्नी क्रूज आ रहा है. खुद से करना है और कल मैं तुझे भेजने वाली है सारे कपड़े और तुम भी चले जाना साथ. दो है तुम दोनों लग जाओ. एक
$20 कितना होता है? कितना हुआ क्या?
ये क्या बोलती है मैंने. मैं इधर खड़ी रहती हूँ सब जो आएंगे उनका इस्त्री करती हूँ उन लोग से पैसा लेती हूँ. मैं बोली तू फ्री में इधर आई है पैसा कमा के जाने का सोच रही है.
नेट पॉजिटिव.
मैं पहले बंद करके प्रेस करी थी. मुझे हो
फिर मैंने जाके ऑन करके प्रेस किया.
इतना कर लिया कि चल जाएगा सुबह. इससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
अंकर्स गिवन अप. लोग दोनों मैच देख रहे
नहीं
हैं.
आता है
तुम लोग हम लोग के साथ चिल कर रहे हो कि तुम लोग मैच देखने आए हो. आई नो राइट. हमको नहीं देखना.
It was last का बुमराह और हार्दिक पांड्या के ओवर्स में निकले. Otherwise this was gone.
Dude, we were actually thought we won't watch the second innings and then all of us were
पाप ले गाइस.
मुझे नींद आ रही है. मैच की पड़ी.
सेमीफाइनल का वो था यार ये.
The next day.
Good morning guys, it's day 2 and we are dressed and we are very late because we woke up only at 12:30. I had a bath quickly. We're going down to play bingo. This is the town square. We've come to play the bingo.
yourself. They have 3 chances of winning each round. You can get 1 for $30 or 2 for $50. The tablets have more chances. The tablets are more likely to win. You can get 24 chances per round or 48 chances per round.
Chances means like what do you mean?
Like the chances is the squares.
Okay.
So this is like 1 chance of winning, and you get 3 paper cards.
In the people thought we get 3 not 6 as it's here.
Yeah, so this one is 1 paper, so you get 3, and it's all 4 games. This one here is 2 paper cards, so it's for 2 people.
And what is the tablet?
The tablet is automatic, so one of these, and it will load the numbers for you, and it will mark the numbers for you, and it even tells you when you've won, so it says winner. But then you just shout bingo, so it's nice and easy.
3, 6, 7. Can you confirm? Is it written here?
Yes, Sarah. Yes, that's the one.
Yes, perfect. Sir.
Perfect. And would you like one of the 24 chance tablets? Is that
Yeah,
$60?
just one.
Yeah, you got it.
There are more chances with this, is it?
Yeah.
And how many rounds are there? So this happens automatically.
It does,
Can you do one thing? You also give me 1 paper pack.
Yeah. Well, if I do that, then do you want me to charge it as the family pack? So you get 1 tablet. and
Yeah,
1 paper.
perfect. Yeah, do that. Do
Okay,
that.
I'll just need to void this one, okay?
You are waiting for 1 number, okay? So if you're able to, when you're waiting for 1 number to make a good claim, you're going to rise from your seat so everyone in the theatre can see and check out the competition, and hopefully you will win that game of bingo. Okay, so rule number 3. There are 2 ways we are going to play bingo this afternoon. So first of all, we have our paper cards. Everyone put your paper cards in the air, give them a wave, and we're going to shout old school. Old school. Yeah. We are going to be marking off our bingo cards. So they are on the laminate, and you're going to use your pens to mark over the laminate. And when the game is over, we will move on to the next coloured ticket. Now the tablet does play the whole game for you. However, the tablet does not stop the game of bingo if you have a good claim. Okay? So if you are 1 number away, we're all going to stand up when you're waiting for 1 number. Here we go. Your next number out is in the G column again.
Oh shit.
Oh. Okay, and it's G59, G59.
Oh shit, no. I
Oh,
do.
we've got someone else. Stop. We've got a bingo.
One number.
You were practicing.
Oh god, this is intense. I have 59 here.
Oh, there's more people.
Oh shit, I'm 2 away in so many places.
You. Okay. Is in the B column. Who needs a B number?
Yes.
Oh, we do. Okay, well, this B number, actually, interesting fact, is on crew staff's favourite number. Are we ready? We're going to dance. We're going to sing. You're going to join in to bring yourself that bingo look. Because it's B11.
Okay.
Here we go. I26, I26.
Got one.
I-26.
Okay, we've got a couple of people waiting for one number. Let's go. Here we go. The last number out was I26. Your next number out is in the O column.
Okay.
Ooh. It's O73.
I was 2 numbers away everywhere.
The best I got.
Here we go. Give our bingo winner a big round of applause.
So close 3 round चलेगा, एक भी नहीं जीता है. हम घाटा करने वाले हैं. Preet was so close in this round. I was a little far, but I was.
19747. Okay. Are we ready? Walt Disney Theatre. Everyone go. Oh. It's a good play.
Oh!
Thank you. पहला नाम ही मेरा है. शिवी एंड आई गॉट. हमको ये मिला है अंदर रैफल में. इंडिया में 3 लोगों को ये दे दिया.
Consolation
प्राइज हमारा. देखो क्या मिला है. सेम कलर.
सिंगापुर वालों को बड़ा दिया अपने को.
हाँ, इंडियंस को ये चिपका दिया. These were the consolation prize. Raffle.
You must claim within 46 numbers or less if you want to win that $10,000 jackpot. Okay, now if
46 numbers मतलब एक में कितने हैं?
and we call it 47 and it has not been claimed, we will move on to our in-house prize. Okay?
These 2 numbers I needed, but it's gone. Bingo's gone. ये 2 था.
It's out of here. There we go. So Brandon, who is the lucky winner of today's final game of bingo?
Our winner is Harry from Australia.
हम कुछ नहीं जीते हैं गाइस, सो हम जा रहे हैं खाना खाने क्योंकि हमने सुबह से कुछ खाया भी नहीं. रीत और मैंने. रीत was giving away the tabs and everything. We're now having a quick brunch because breakfast lunch दोनों ने किया at Ohana's Grill over here. We both got some burgers and some onion rings. Sweet potato fries are so good. Reet got Fanta and I got Coke. Let's dig in. Taste mine. It's jasmine, like legit मोगरे का taste आ रहा है. Show yours. Very refreshing. We are at Wayfinder Bay. Every day we explore one new area of the cruise. Oh yeah, hey is here. Hello, hey. Oh my god, I'm getting a hey super. You get a Baymax super. I'm getting this. Or this. This is so cool. This will be my everyday.
This will give you proper bamboo का made from there.
और वो खराब हो जाएगा. ये टिकेगा. प्लास्टिक है ये.
What is up with this generation?
You're my generation only. Stop being like a grandfather. I look so pretty today. I love my hair, my makeup. Curly hair only suits me. Now I'm gotten so used to it. We are at Wayfinder Bay. We've got a pool over here and like a sitting area. Oh, this is so beautiful. Today we are going to meet Snow White. 6 o'clock is Snow White. So all this we come to know on the app. And 6 o'clock Snow White is coming on the deck. So I'm dressed also very princess core to meet Snow White. I'll wear this necklace again tomorrow to meet Moana. You guys, we are right in the middle of the ocean. दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं है. It looks magnificent. Feel like jumping.
Give me a scuba tank, I'll jump.
It is so beautiful out here. It's like we have the magic of Disney inside and the vast ocean outside. It's everything I love. My daddy said stay away from Julie.
One hour later.
Guys, we just came back to the room and they've made Eeyore with the towel. This is a gesture that Disney Cruise is famous for, that every time they do a room, they make a towel toy. That's so adorable. Oh my god. Look at that, so cute. We are at dinner at the Pixar Market restaurant and we are joining Shivi and Ankur at their table.
Have you ever wondered what is the bubble night that invites us together?
शाहरुख की आवाज है. शाहरुख की आवाज है.
And we run faster and farther than we knew our feet could run.